What's up, guys? What's up, guys? For today's video, I got already a whole box of utility knives. Let's see what they're all about. There's some really unique ones. So, we'll need a utility knife to open up utility knives. That's funny. So there it is. Comes with the blades. Why I like this one the most, first of all, there's a pry bar to open cans and so on. And then there's a blade, a regular utility knife, and then a scraper. And then just put it away. So cool. So cut, scrape, flip it over. This is probably the coolest utility knife I've ever seen for work. Awesome. And of course open up like the paint cans and so on. It's pretty satisfying. Super easily to flip it over. Okay, and to replace the blade, all I have to do is just push it right here. Wow. And flip it over. Let's see, just push it again. It kind of opens it up a little bit and then it locks in. That's it. It works again. Okay, push it down. I love it. Comes with a great packaging and everything. Okay, next, ToughBuilt makes so much really cool tools. This one is 2 of them. See how this works. Okay, so this is open side here. Boom. And there is a blades replacement side here. Okay, let's see. There's the blades holder. Opened it. There you go. Let's say I need like a few blades from here, and then I can do like what, 5 blades in here and 5 blades into the actual loader. Let's see how this look. Yeah, super easy to load them up. Well, it's about 5, I think. And this is like a holder. There's about 5. Let's see. Boom. And then I can use the blade, utility blade, whenever I want to. Lock it in. There's a couple stages, like box opener, and then there's a cutter, like a carpet cutter, and so on. And when I need to replace a blade, all I have to do is just release it and flip it over. Use the second half, of course. We don't want to waste blades, so use it. And whenever I need to replace a blade, just like this, reload. I love it. It's like magic. So amazing. So that way, throughout the whole day, we have more than enough blades. And if you do run out, push it, open it, reload. This is so satisfying. Okay. On a video, so while I'm trying to make a video, it's a little bit harder because I'm trying to show you guys how this works. But anyways, I can load it up one at a time. All together didn't work a little bit. It's quite oiled up. That is. And go again. So awesome. Okay, very cool utility knife right here for sure. Let's see what else we have. I'll move this all out of the way. I have a lot of cool stuff for sure. How about Milwaukee right here? A press and flip, and also there's a comes with storage, looks like. Fastback, a folding utility knife with blade storage. Okay. Okay, there's blades in there. Cool. I have some right here. Okay, so let's get a few blades out here. See how many blades will it hold. Looks like it can hold 3, 4, 5 maybe, or comfortably. I don't want to overfill it. Yeah, 4 blades can hold comfortably. Locks in there. Okay. And the 1 blade will go over here. Just push a button and it will lock it up. Yeah, nice. Okay, and wow, that is satisfying. Also, there is like a little finger grip to open it, and I can open it slowly. What? Check this out. There's a little like a rope cutter in here. Nice. Yeah, it's really smooth, comfortable. There's a finger grip in here. Ooh, I see another rope cutter on this side, so we could use it without opening the blade. There's a rope cutter in here. Nice. Okay. Easy to replace. Flip it over, and if I need to grab another blade, pull it out. Boom, sits in a really nice and comfortable. Push the button and slide it in. Yeah. Plus, once I figured out how to this works, this is my first time using it. Very nice. I love it. Yeah, Milwaukee utility knives are really nice. Okay, another ToughBuilt. Those are really cool. Another unique design right here. Pry bar utility knife with storage. Most important, there's a pry bar. Scrape something open, scrape something off, and pry open paint and so on. Also push button, very smooth. There's a rope cutter right there. Press right here to, ooh, it's a smooth button. The blades have to be specified with this kind of holder, looks like. Let's see, will it work with regular blade? I don't know. Oh yeah, it works. So regular blade can work too. I don't know, that's cool. So there's a storage too. I didn't even know that. How does this works? Need to learn. Okay, there's a way to open it. Blade storage. Does it show how to open the blade storage? Let's figure this out real quick. Does it slide open? Where is this? Oh, I'm funny. Right here. That's it. It just lifts up a little bit, and we have right here 2 blade. Looks like maximum can store in there. Boom. Take one, put one back, whatever. That's cool. Couple blades. 2 blades and 1 in here. Awesome. Okay. Let's see what else we have right here. This one pretty interesting. Let's open it, see what's about. It comes with the extra blades in here. Cover. Okay. Utility knife. Okay. Ooh, out of phone type of stuff. Nice. It's push, and what is this? I don't know. Oh, ooh, this is nice. So I push it to the side and release it. So this is a really good safety. It will not go anywhere unless I push it to the side and close it. Same thing, push it and open it. What is this? I have no idea. Oh, this is to replace the blade. I like it. Lock it in all the way. Nice. Okay, so let's see how many locks. There's 1 lock right here, and to replace the blade, I guess, all the way out. But this is full open, I guess. Very nice. There's a lock. Push to the side and forward. I like it. Very comfortable. Beautiful. Kind of like a camping style. Okay, let's see what else we can find in here. This one is really small for like everyday carry. Okay, let's open it. So it's like a little pocket utility knife. See how it works. Okay. Beautiful titanium. How do we pull the blade out? I have no idea. Do I just push it right here and pull it out? Wow, simple as that. Yeah, there's no buttons or anything. Just push it, use 2 hands to take it out. There's a little screwdriver, a flat head pry bar, and a screwdriver as well. Lanyard hold, measuring tape. Interesting. Okay, push this, take it out all the way, flip it over, lock it back up. Okay, there's a first, and that's it. And there could be a second latchet. No, like that, pretty much. So very skinny utility knife, perfect for like a pocket size utility knife. Pretty hefty. There it is. Multifunctional tool. What is made out of? Not sure. I don't think it's titanium. Maybe. Feels kind of hefty. Okay. And the last one. This one is Kolean Tools, electrical company, tool company. So it is utility knife with the screwdriver in the back of it. Let's open it up. Very fun to open these packages. I wish they would come just in the little boxes, because this is kind of hard to not damage the tool inside and myself. You know what I mean? And the blade is open over here. I mean, it has covered it, but I guess it sells better whenever it's set up this way in a store. Come on. Okay, we're gonna open it up all the way. Let's see if that helps. There it is, finally. Okay, now that we passed through it, same thing, very smooth. Blade, push button to open, very soft button, flip it over, place another blade. Does not have storage, but it has something special. It has a screwdriver. Ooh, different beads, so it could be small screwdriver. There's a button lock. Ooh, it's a liner lock. Nice. So there's an extender with a magnet. I like it. So liner lock right here. Boom. Anyways, let me know in comments below which utility knife was your favorite. Honestly, those are my favorite ToughBuilt, because they are like literally the leading company of the utility knives. And yeah, that's it. That's what I got for today. Comparison. By far ToughBuilt makes the most unique utility knife, but here's a little comparison out there for you guys to check out. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.